Okay, so we are done steaming our chicken, and this is how it looks like. Okay, we are going to set it up. We're going to serve it. So I'm just gonna have to scoop it out from the steamer. Be careful because it's hot. You gotta do it fast. There you have it. And once again, you can put olive oil. Put some sesame oil. And garnish it with chopped onion spring. And this is how it looks like. Ethan. And we are going to serve it together with our nilaga. Ethan is showing the nilaga. This is the finished product. This is the chicken with the dippings as well. The dipping can go with the chicken and can also go with the nilaga. And of course, we have our mixed greens. So the mixed greens would be made of multi-grain that you can buy also from the grocery. And then we also have malunggay rice. So we're gonna eat, and hopefully this is useful for those of you who want to explore cooking tofu or any healthy dish. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.